Hello Sudoku friends, welcome back with the fifth Sudoku in today's newspaper on Friday, June the 26th, 2020. In this additional with extra Sudokus, the last Sudoku is a Tectonic, a.k.a. Suguru. So let's get started. And the first question, can we see here the single box? I cannot see any single box here. Alright, do we have a dual box? No, we do not have a dual box. This is a single box. The lines are not so clear, I see, but this is the single box, yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, yes. This is the single box. That means these two boxes cannot be a 1. These boxes surround the 1 cannot be a 1. So one box left for the 1 should be here. These two numbers are left for the 2 and the 4. We have a 4 here, no 4 there. 4 should be here and the 2 goes there. This box cannot be a 1. This box cannot be a 2. Cannot be a 3. Cannot be a 4. So it should be a 5. 2 boxes left for the 1 and the 2. These 2 boxes cannot be a 4, so the 4 goes here or there. These 3 boxes surround the 2 cannot be a 2. 1 box left for the 2 should be there. Then these 2 boxes cannot be a 3, so the 3 could be here or could be there. That means this box cannot be a 3. The 3 could be here or could be there. This is the lining. Okay. This box cannot be a 3. That box cannot be a 3. So 1 box left for the 3 should be here. 2 numbers left. The 1 and the 4. We have a 4 here, no 4 there. 4 should be here and the 1 goes there. 2 numbers left. The 2 and the 5. These 3 boxes cannot be a 3. 1 box left for the 3 should be there. Then these 3 boxes cannot be a 5. 1 box left for the 5 should be there. These 2 boxes cannot be a 4, so 1 box left for the 4 should be here. The 1 and the 2 are left. We have a 2 here, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 1 goes there. This box cannot be a 1. That box cannot be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 should be here. The 2 and the 4 are left. We have a 2 here, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 4 goes there. These 2 boxes cannot be a 4 or a 2, so we have a pair in those 2 boxes, 2 and a 4, 2 and a 4. That means the other 2 boxes are left for the 1 and the 5. We have a 5 here, so no 5 there. 5 should be here and the 1 goes there. Then let me think. These 2. these 3 boxes cannot be a 1, so those 2 boxes are left for the 1. Could be here, could be there. So we have in one of those 2 boxes could be a 1, so this box cannot be a 1. We have here a box and that can also not be a 1, so the 1 could be here or could be there. We have a 5 here, that means these 2 boxes cannot be a 5. The 5 could be here or could be there. Lining. Okay. I think. Wow. See. 4. Yeah. Think. 1, 2, 3. This box should be a 4. It cannot be a 1, cannot be a 2, cannot be a 3, cannot be a 5. So it's a 4 here. With a 4 here, that means these 2 boxes cannot be a 4. One of those 2 boxes could be a 4. 1, 2, 3, or 5. Okay. Wow. This box cannot be a 1, cannot be a 2, because I need a 2 in one of those 2 boxes. Cannot be a 3, cannot be a 5, so this should be a 4. Yeah, this should be a 4, because it cannot be a 1, 2, 3. Should be a 4, cannot be a 5, yeah. It's a 4. Yeah. That means 1, 2, and 3 goes there. Three, 4, 5. This box should be also 1 or 2. 1 or 2. Cannot be a 3, cannot be a 4, cannot be a 5. Yeah. Oh. 1, 2, 3, 4. No. This box should be a 2. It cannot be a 1, cannot be a should be a 2, cannot be a 3, cannot be a 4, cannot be a 5. Yeah. This should be a 2. Yeah. With a 2 here. 1 and 5. 3. No. 2. 1, 3 or 5. Yeah. 2 or 5. Suppose it's a 4. Suppose it's a 2. Here's a 2 or 4. 1. Wow. Thinking too long. Need to. Why it's taking too long? If I place a 1 here, then I cannot fill any one in one of those 2 boxes. So this box cannot be a 1. The only box left for the 1 should be here. That means these 2 boxes cannot be a 1. That box cannot be a 1. 1 box left for the 1 should be here. I've marked those 2 boxes with the 4. 1 box is eliminated by the 1, so 1 box left for the 4 should be here. We have a 4 here, so this box cannot be a 4. This box should be the 4. This box should be a 5. It cannot be a 1, cannot be a 2, cannot be a 3, cannot be a 4. Should be a 5, yes. So the 1 and the 2 are left. We have a 1 here, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 2 goes there. We have a 1 now, so this cannot be a 1. This should be the 1, and this should be the 2. We have a 1 here, so this cannot be a 1. This should be the 1. 2 and a 3 are left. 2 and a 3. This box cannot be a 2, so the 2 could be here, or could be there. Oh, this box is also cannot be a 2. That box cannot be a 2, so 1 box left for the 2 should be there. Now we have a 2 here, so this cannot be a 2. This should be the 5, and this should be the 2. We have a 2 here, so this cannot be a 2. This should be the 3, and this should be the 2. 2 boxes left, 1, 2, the 3 and the 5. We have a 3 now, so no 3 there. 3 should be there, and the 5 goes there. 1, 2, and the 5 are left. We have a 2 here, no 2 there. 2 should be there, and the 5 goes there. These 2 boxes cannot be a 2, so the 2 goes here or there. This box cannot be a 3, that box cannot be a 3, so we have a pair, the 2 and the 3. These 2 boxes are left for the 4 and the 5. This box cannot be placed with a 3 because I need a 3 in one of those 2 boxes. If I place here a 3, I cannot use any 3 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 3 should be there. Yeah. Okay, so this box cannot be a 1, cannot be a 2, cannot be a 3, cannot be a 4, should be a 5. We have a 5 now, so this cannot be a 5, this should be a 4, and this should be a 5. We have a 4 here, so that means these 2 boxes cannot be a 4. 1 box left for the 4 should be there. These 2 numbers are the 1 and the 3. 1 and the 3, 1 and the 3. And that means if I place a 3 here, then I cannot place any 3 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 3 cannot be here. The 3 should be there. 2 numbers left, the 1 and the 4. And the same story about the 1. I cannot place a 1 here, otherwise I need a 1 in one of those two boxes. So this should be a 4, and this should be a 1. With a 1 now, so this cannot be a 1. This should be the 1, and this should be the 3. With a 3 now, so this cannot be a 3. This should be the 3, and this should be a 2. 1, 2, 3. This box should be a 4. It cannot be a 5. Yes, with a 4 now, so this cannot be a 4. This should be a 2. This should be the 4. This box cannot be a 2. That box should be the 2, and this box should be the 1. 3 numbers, 3 digits left. These two boxes cannot be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 should be here. The 3 and the 5 are left. We have a 3 here, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 5 goes there. Finish in 50 minutes. Alright. Great Tectonic Sudoku. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it or solve it by yourself. And don't forget to subscribe if you like or if you want, and hit that bell button if you want to be notified by YouTube if I upload new Sudokus to my channel. Thank you again for watching. Stay healthy, keep on puzzling, and I will meet you tomorrow on Saturday. See you then. Bye bye for now.